Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft's connection loss problem. It's easy if you want to fix it. All you have to do first, just click here, then type after that type here device manager, and now click display adapters, right click update drivers, search automatically for drivers, and then second one, and now go to network adapters. One by one update all of those drivers into the last driver here, and then go back, and after that just type here control panel, and now go to network and sharing center, go to access type, go to connections. Here you will find internet or Wi-Fi, just click on it. Properties, protocol internet version 4, go to properties. Now select use the following DNS, copy those numbers here and click OK and close it. Now your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.